Good morning, it's the 11th of June 2010 and this is your daily outlook. European Central Bank and Bank of England leave their monetary policy unchanged. Markets yesterday had two rate decisions to look forward to, both the ECB and BOE rate decisions. Both meetings were as expected with no significant shift in monetary policy. The ECB left its rates unchanged at 1% and the UK left the rates unchanged at 0.5%, as well as keeping its quantitative easing programme on hold. Trichet later said in his press conference that he expects price stability in the medium term and that inflation expectations were still anchored. Trichet believes the euro area will continue to grow at a moderate pace despite the environment of continued tension and unusually high uncertainty. In other euro area news, we saw Spain's bond auction run smoothly with a sale of €3.9 billion 3-year notes and a bid to cover ratio of 2 to 1. From the financial calendar, we had German CPI coming at 0.1% for the month and 1.2% for the year. Euro-dollar price action was between 121.47 and 119.56. In the US, we saw risk appetite resume and US equities managed to close above 2.75%. China 50% surge in exports, a Reserve Bank of New Zealand rate hike, solid unemployment from Australia, smooth bond sales from EU and no ECB surprises all helped contribute the positive climate felt in the US. From the financial calendar, we had a light day with headline numbers being US April trade deficit and US jobless weekly claims. The trade deficit slightly improved for the month, whilst new jobless claims fell to 456,000. The jobless report helped add to the risk appetite on the day, and last week's jobless report was quite disappointing. Dollar-yen price action for the day was between 90.85 and 91.74. Currencies to watch out for: the euro-dollar and dollar-yen. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 120.65, with a preference to enter into long positions at 120.75. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 90.85, with a preference to enter into long positions at 90.90. Today's calendar and market movers: UK PPI output and input for May expected at 0.5% and minus 0.8% respectively. US retail sales for May expected at 0.2% and US Michigan sentiment for June expected at 74.50. Now on to equity markets. US equities closed positive yesterday with the SP 500 up by 2.95% and the Dow up by 2.76%. European bourses were positive yesterday with the FTSE up 0.92%, the DAX up 1.20% and the CAC closing up 2.03%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was at 1.37% and the Hang Seng at 1.42%. That's in your daily outlook. I'm Emma Jo from the easy-forex dealing room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.